Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalaba USA. Today we're going to show you how to put your CORIO CD into remote control mode so that you can use it with EasyTEMP. You have the unit on, press both the up and down arrow keys at the same time, and you will see the R on come on. And then the display will alternate between -R- and the off, which means that it's now in remote control mode, being controlled via the computer. You can download our free version of EasyTEMP. Go into your device menu, configure device, add device, select the CORIO CD CP, verify the COM port. The COM port will automatically be selected by the computer once you plug the USB cable in from this CORIO CD. Name your device. Click Use Selection, click OK. Your device window will come up. Configure your curves. And then you can click on the standby button and you will see your unit start to operate. And you can shut it down from your EasyTEMP program as well. To take it out of remote mode, you press the same two keys until you see R off appear, and it will go back to the off, which means it's in manual control mode.